It looks beautiful whether it's in the day or in the night, but I think at night maybe it looks a lot more beautiful because you can like really see everything. And it's about 5 minutes from Times Square. Yeah guys, so that's how it looks upstairs. It's so cute. Okay, so this is what the hotel looks like, guys. This is the Courtyard by Marriott. The tub is beautiful. So you're gonna walk out and you're gonna go into the room. Got my stuff and my leftover food, but it is beautiful, guys. Have a mirror right here. King size bed, really nice. They have like this sofa couch type of. It's like it's not big enough to be like a couch. You have like a little chair and your nice little TV screen, and look at the view, guys. It is amazing. It looks beautiful whether it's in the day or in the night, but I think at night maybe it looks a lot more beautiful because you can like really see everything. And it's about 5 minutes from Times Square. It's definitely beautiful. This is like the 26th floor, so you definitely get like that skyline view. And they do complimentary bottles of wine for like special occasions, like somebody's birthday or, you know, like a wedding anniversary or anything like that. So that's basically the room. These lights are so cool. They have like all the little outlets and stuff. You can actually play with the lights. I think this is how you turn one of them off. Guys, even like the thermometer is like so like new techie and stuff like that. Okay guys, so you come off the elevators and this is like their little sitting area that they have. As you can see the city, and it's so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. See, this is like the front door, and you can see it's so luxurious. I'm telling y'all gotta come here. And they even have like a little snack area where you can like get concessions and pay for it on the room. Yeah guys, so that's how it looks upstairs. It's so cute. And then this is like the downstairs part. It's really nice. And then you can like go downstairs. Try not to get too many people photos in the picture because you know how people be. But it's really nice, and you see the like little area, and they have like TV screens and areas you can watch stuff. And this is the bar. The bar is so cute. I came down here the other day to get like a drink, and then they have like a little menu to get some stuff and happy hour, and the bar is really cute, so definitely check it out. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm getting ready to leave, but I'm glad that you guys like enjoyed the stay with me. This was like a really nice place, so thank you. Bye.